Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will reshape an arrow icon using the direct selection tool. Select the arrow and zoom into the tip. Activate the direct selection tool. Pull the top angle slightly downward to soften the points and also adjust the handle for a smooth torque. Now refine the left wing for the arrow. Now refine the left wing of the arrow. Adjust its handle for a clean curve. Repeat the shaping on the right wing. Ensure both sides match in flow. Fix the tail section by adjusting angles. Straighten any uneven lines. Zoom in for finer corrections. Smooth the entire arrows. Review balance and symmetry. Your arrow is now clean and professional reshaped. Thanks for watching.